What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Yep, back at it again. So you saw in my last video, I did the subwoofer. Now I'm under the hood, and y'all already know why. I've been looking into some intakes, and like, man, that's pretty steep for 400 something. I'm really not doing a performance thing, trying to get really gains like that. It's not bad, but like, just for an open intake, I mean, I could do that out of the factory AIRBOX. Just like I did it in the Altima. When the Altima ain't had no intake, it made it better. It made it faster to me. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the Durango. I know a lot of people gonna say, man, just buy an intake. Why are you doing that? This is what I do on my channel, man. I do random stuff. So if you're new to the channel, I'm CountryBoyModz. I do random shit to cars. I do random stuff to cars. To actually get a true air intake on the Durango, I'm gonna have to modify, take this out, which I can use something else. But I'm gonna take this out, get a custom tube, and get like a heat shield or something to cover up this area. And you're gonna have to go down here, go behind this ambient air temperature, behind this grill right here, open this up, like somewhere at the bottom area or something. You have to take the front bump off, which that's what I plan on doing. This gonna be like the part one of all of this. The first step, I'm gonna test it out, just taking that little tube piece right there out. I'm gonna take that out, but later down the road, there's a piece right behind here. But you got that sensor right there, so you don't wanna mess with that sensor. So you wanna leave that cut up, how it is, and you wanna cut the rest of it. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's nothing but little clips, really. I can easily get that done, but I'm gonna start off up here. We're gonna look and see what's in here and go from there. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put the video time lapse, so just gonna point out what we're gonna be taking out. It's clean the video. We're gonna be taking out this. We're gonna take out the engine bay cover screws there. Take off our hose here. As you can see, it easily slides off. And then we're gonna slowly take out this intake piece by piece. So let's get it. What I'm talking about. Let's see if I can get this back on here. Just want to test this out right now. Like, does it improve the gas mileage? Does it hurt the gas mileage? Make the intake louder? We're about to find out. I was looking inside of this. Now, in this one, there's a whole separate chamber the air come out of, go into, and release. I went inside, take that area off where the exit hole at, taped it off. That way air directly goes into the intake. Like, you gotta use some legit tape now. You just can't use the old bull job. But like some good sticky painted tape or some duct tape or something, that'll be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and go inside of that, tape it off. That way air just gonna be, hopefully, just be coming through here. Scoot. Boom, stop it right there. It won't even go into this chamber. Might create a tornado, might create an explosion, I don't know. But we gonna test it out. All right, y'all, so I used some 3M tape inside. That's some pretty good, healthy, sticky tape. Cover that hole up. It ain't gonna go nowhere. So I'm gonna put it to the test right now with the vacuum cleaner. See if the air continues to come out this hole. So I'm gonna put this on, put the camera on the jack stand. I'm gonna put this next to this, cut the vacuum cleaner on. I'm gonna put the bag right here, see if the air come out this hole. All right, y'all, check it out. Got everything back together now, and we're gonna see, did the intake get louder, like the cold air intake, or anything like that. So let's get it. I gotta do the battery real quick. Hold on. All right, got the battery back connected. Let's start her up. What up, y'all? All right, so we've been driving for a couple days now, and like, this is the true gas mileage. The gas mileage actually increased in the city. So sometimes it be 18, sometimes it get up to 20. Depends on if I sit idling or not, or putting my foot in it, you know. But I got up to 18 to 20 miles per gallon in the city so far. So that's been driving for 4 days now. I think the little modification that I did is pretty solid. It increased the gas, and me, honestly, I feel like it actually see, like, it goes down right there. I'm trying to get the exhaust to pop, but anywho, but like I said, I've been averaging 18 miles per gallon, increase from 13 miles per gallon, driving in the city every day. So, I mean, to me, it's worth it. I'm gonna leave it like it is for now until I get a chance to open up the front part that I was talking about earlier in the video. But like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and here's the proof. I did a bunch of testing, no check engine lights or anything like that. So I'm Gucci. So I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.